Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Target credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to apply for Target credit card or a Target red card, open up a web browser to begin. Go to the URL box and type in www.target.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you're inside the main homepage of Target, make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking the sign in button at the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button one more time. Enter your mobile number or your email address in the first text box and in the next field, type in your password and click sign in. Once you're logged into your Target account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right and select the Apply Now link right next to Red Card. Once you click on it, on the next page, there are two options in order to apply for a debit card or a credit card. Select Apply for Credit. On the next page, enter your information in order to apply for your Target credit card. Go ahead and fill in all of the information in this page. Start off with your contact info, your residential address, and click on Save and Continue. Verify your identity and income on the next page. Follow through the on-screen prompts. Create a PIN for yourself, and that way you'll be able to apply for a credit card on Target. All you need to do is to simply follow the on-screen prompt till the end. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.